morning, sir. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Welcome to on the RKS Kappa Learning Channel with Durga Chaudhary. Today I am standing here for presenting about one standard that is about actually that is totally based on relationship of love. So let me tell you that दोहा रहीमन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए टूटे टूटे पे फिर ना जुड़े जुड़े काट पर जाए means we all know that our relationship built with trust and belief, and we also know that we can earn money, we can be able to earn a lot of money in our life again and again, and also we can be able to get knowledge with someone with any place. But if we will break off anyone trust, so we cannot be able to get that trust again with same person in our whole life. So let me tell you one example. You watch in the YouTube or any social media about one Nepali couple, and their name are Vivek and Sajna. They both are married some years ago, and they has a long relationship. They got love marriage actually, and Vivek got brain cancer, but she was a true kind woman. That's why she didn't left her husband side from that critical situation, because she has a strong bond with her husband. She always give her 100% for on that critical situation in that hospital for supporting her husband. But unfortunately, her husband died in some days ago, and we watch in the YouTube that video again and again. And I also watch a lot of video related with Sajna and Vivek. Means they has a good bond. Actually, they had a good bond, because this time Vivek has died, and that's very bad for that lady. But she didn't break. She always she didn't break her husband's heart, because she want to support her husband in any situation. So we can say that we should never break to anyone's trust, because trust is like that particular thing that we that if that thing will break, so that can be never break in that particular place and that person, because trust is like that thing. And we all know that relationship always built with trust I mean, and belief. And also we know that our mother and parents always trust us, and they always give a lot of things to us for reading, for learning. We also know that sometimes we argue with our parents for asking many things like phone, new expensive clothes and toys, and etc. etc. I mean, so we know that sometimes we demand a very unexpected things with our parents, as we know that we watch a lot of things in the YouTube, and sometimes I want that toy, that very advanced toy. I want to play with the toy, but that's very expensive. So that time we should understand our parents situation, that they cannot buy that thing. So we should also behave well in relationship, because we also child of our parents. They also want to give you a lot of things, but we should understand that situation also, but they are facing their problems. So we should also behave good in our relationship, in any relationship, as like brother, sister, husband, wife, and any other. Thank you and have a nice day.